Learn how to easily migrate your optimized PCR protocol from your current cycler to your Mastercycler X50. Create a new program, name it, and save it in your desired folder. Open your folder, choose the program, and adapt your parameters. We would like to have only 54 degrees Celsius annealing temperature and 45 seconds of elongation. Now, press the arrow on the upper left side, go to Edit Settings, then Block Settings, and activate desired runtime. You may now enter the time your former cycler needed for your PCR. Now, save your settings. The Mastercycler X50 automatically adjusts the heating and cooling rate so that the PCR program works the same as your optimized former protocol. You can now start your PCR. If you have multiple Mastercycler X50 cyclers connected, choose the one that you want and get going. Thank you for watching.